Guys, what's up? This is what we are doing here. We are trying to cook corn through this method. So this is one of method, and one of our favorite methods as Filipino people in order to yung uso kuya. Apo, sige po. They're trying to call us in order to cook it, to eat food inside. But as of now, we're enjoying right here outside doing this with our friends. So,
With the friends.
ang ganda talaga. Ang galing talaga. Wow. So, this is one of alternative method or way in order to process or cook. We have here steel plates or matting, or what do you call this one, and then we use stones. Let me show you a triangular format of stones to hang this up, this kind of metal. Then then and then we put some fire or fire source under to cook this kind of one of our favorite food. What do you call this one, my friend?
Corn.
Yeah, corn. Yan, corn. This is a Filipino food. This is a Filipino corn. One of the breeds. This is white corn, ma'am sir. White corn. We have different kinds of corn right here. There are some color like red corn, sweet corn, yellow corn, black corn, and then violet. There are lots of colors that we have here in the Philippines. So there are what we call the purple corn, polka dots, mixed colors in one piece of like this, multicolor. So ayan. Sir, ang galing talaga ano po. After a couple of minutes, it is ready to eat, and we can enjoy this, and we would like to share this. So hope you enjoy watching and trying to think what we're doing and what we're enjoying. Hope you enjoy also. So hope that each and every one, or all of you, that those would like to also to experience this one, we are free as always and have time for you, to all of you. So please come and visit, then let's enjoy. Diba Kuya Riley? Oh, yan ang poging Riley. Hi kanay. Yan. This is my life. Charcoal. We are using charcoal to produce fire in order to cook this corn in this process. And then one method, they are using paper or carton to produce air to lit the fire. The fire. So we have some charcoal, and they're going to add after a couple of minutes, so in order to maximize the heat process from charcoal fire, not to burn but to cook.
Bye. Water.
I can't breathe because of smoke. But in some case, especially we would like to shout out, especially to all of our friends out there, especially Filipino farmers. If it is not available or advisable, the plates or the stills, they put the corn direct above the charcoal fire. Ay, opo, sige lang po. Sige lang po. Sige lang. Ayan guys, magandang gabi. Ayan. Lalong gumanda ang gabi namin kasi tingnan niyo guys kung anong meron. Kuya, dagdagan mo ng isa po, makisuyo. Ayan, yung mais sa gitna. Kasi sayang yung baga. Ayan. Yan po yung mga kaibigan namin rito. Kaway-kaway muna mga kuya, mga tropang taga-ihaw ng mais, 'di ba? Oh, ayan. Mga malulupit at mga mababait ito, mga pogi pa. Oh, 'di ba? Oh. Oops. Oh. Talagang sinadya niyang lakasan kasi nandun ako eh. Alam ko naman yun eh. Ganun talaga pagka ang kaibigan mo ay may pasimpleng galit. Ano po? Ayan. Ang ganda mga ma'am sir, ano po? So, sa lahat ng may gusto dyan, sa may gusto lang, kung gusto nyo, punta kayo rito o gusto nyo, hatiran namin kayo. PM is the key po, especially if the price is right, ano po. Business minded na kami. No, kaibigang Riley, no? Oo. Yan. Shout out naman dyan, kaibigang Riley, magsalita ka dyan, no? Sino mga gusto mong batiin online, ano? Yan, lahat ng mga tropa mo doon.
Yes, live. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday daw, birthday. Ayan.
Birthday.
So, pagkatapos ng mahababang paglalakbay sa buong maghapon at magdamag, ito kami ngayon, ini-enjoy. Ayun, lumiyab.
Sunog na?
Kuya, medyo sunog na ng konti, kuya. Pero yan ay literal na ano, na inihaw. Hindi pa kuya na ano kuya, ito pa po idagdag mo ito. Iikot mo lang siya ng bahagya. Yan. Tapos pag ganun mo na lang siya kuya, yan. Yan. Tapos yan. Dagdag mo na rin ito, yan. Yan. Yan, ang sarap nito mga ma'am sir, sa mga may gusto diyan, oh. Oh. Hindi naman sa nang iinggit kami, ano po. Sadyang sinishare lang namin sa inyo. Ayan. Hindi, ano lang po. Sadyang naging katuwaan namin ito ngayong gabi. At ang kaibigang Riley ay nag-aya sapagkat sabi niya bilang mga tropa kayo, kailangan pumunta kayo doon sa bahay at mag-iihaw tayo ng mais. Ayan. Galing. Kuya Riley, ito ba ay sariling itinanim mo doon sa iyong palayan, bagamat mais?
Hindi.
Hindi. Sabi mo kanina, itinanim mo ang bunga tapos yung puno lang yung binili mo. Ayan. Ginagamitan ng torch po para lalong umapoy, para mabilis yung pagliyab ng baga. Pero so far kuya, okay na yan kuya. Malakas na yung yung apoy.
Kuya.
Anong yan. Pinapaypayan para lalong lumiyab. Yan ay isang method po. We would like to ko baga napasok ako. Ayan. Ang init naman kuya. So what we are going to say is we would like to share this to each and every one, especially to all of our friends which is able to experience this kind of enjoyment or good things that we have here in the Philippines. So we encourage all the investors, family and friends, loved ones, and yung usok. Ayan. So we would like to invite you, ma'am sir, to please come and visit here and then try to experience one of our favorite Filipino food. It is corn, and then we try to do this as part of cooking. Minsan ay pwede siyang iluto, or we're cooking this through boiling water, or the second one is like this, but some people trying to grind or split this into tiny pieces, and then they cook in different ways. Yan, intindihin nyo na lang yung English ko kasi hindi naman talaga yun yung nature ng salita ko eh. Kayo kaya magsalita ng hindi nyo linya. At hindi yung usok. Ayan, yan, tagapaypay namin, no. Yung, kuya, dandahan lang, kuya. Kuya, may motor doon, kuya. Baka yung gasolina, baka abutin.
Wag mo na. Sandali lang.
Hindi, sa ilalim lang po, kuya. Ayan. So, ayan guys, so, ang sarap-sarap naman yan. Ito ang malapit ng maluto. Sige lang kuya, okay lang po. Yan. So, ito ay almost 90% cooked. Almost done.
Right.
Ayan. Yan yung isang paborito ng mga Pilipino, which is bagamat Pilipino kami ay yun yung mga hindi pwede sa amin, pero pwede naman sa kanila. Di ba? So mukhang bunga tapos yung puno lang yung binili mo. Ayan. Ginagamitan ng torch po para lalong kumapoy, para mabilis yung pagliyab ng baga. Pero so far kuya, okay na yan kuya. Malakas na yung yung apoy.
Kuya.
Anong yan. Pinapaypayan para lalong lumiyab. Yan ay isang method po. We would